Hello, sir, and hello, everyone. Myself, Soumyamanti, and I am an intern of VIEH group. So, in my first webinar part, I selecting the Metasploit framework to showing some extra feature of the Metasploit works and how does it work and what is it. So, totally fully explained in this part. Okay. So, moving further into so first we also know about what is Metasploit framework. The Metasploit framework is a Ruby-based modular pen testing platform and enables you to write, test, and execute exploit code. The Metasploit framework contains a suite of tools that you can use to test security vulnerabilities and enumerate networks, execute attack, and abort detection. Okay, that is the introduction part of the Metasploit framework. So then it is our Kali Linux command prompt. So firstly we know about moving further into so firstly we also know about what is nmap. Okay, to know about what is nmap, then also we know about what is its manual. So nmap is a network exploration tool. Okay, and it is security and port scanning tool. In this help you can easily gathering some information about what is one which vulnerabilities are occurred in a required IP address and a required given system. Okay, so that is the fully manual of nmapping tool. So firstly also we know about why how the nmap will be work. Okay, in the use of the nmapping we also we gather some information on the which vulnerabilities are occurring in IP address. So uh, to gather some information to which ports are open in an IP address, then that gather some information we also exploiting on this IP address and on the required virtual system. Okay, so firstly also we open our Metasploit to write the shell code in MSF console. Then in this code the Metasploit will be open. So it also be required 2-3 seconds to open into that. You also wait that time. Okay, you can see that this is the first overview of the Metasploit. Okay, here you can see that is the MSF written in that. So in the Metasploit part we also see about some exploits and auxiliary post exploits, payloads, encoders, noobs, and evasion. And this is the banner part. To change the banner, we can simply written here banner. You can see the other banners are shown in that. Okay, in this Metasploit cell code, you can written like nmap and 1 second you can easily written a IP address like this which you can perform to attack somebody. To written S and V to know about is service version. Okay, this IP address is not to be, but it is showing that port seems down. Okay, then you can easily written like that. Something also be using another command, another cell, another terminal. Okay, sorry. You can use ipconfig, ifconfig, sorry, ifconfig to know about which IP address we also use on that. Okay, then you can easily copy that. This is our demo part. Okay, you cannot to use your own IP to paste it on here, and you can written like this SMT. Wait some minutes. Recently we can use the here one is open here, that is the port 3389 TCP. Okay, this version is XRDP and the service is MSWBT service. Okay, and to that is our demo part. You can easily to targeting machines IP address here to grab some information about its port and which version it also be used. Then we can copy the versions here and paste it on the Firefox, and you can easily know about which accelerity to use. And you can here you can see to uh, written like source auxiliary. Okay, then you can so there is many more auxiliaries here. Then you can which web browser is given to you, then you can easily copy on that and paste on that. To use that auxiliary you can written like here to use and paste it on the auxiliary here. Okay, then you can so written like so exploits. Then you can show here like you can easily randomly I can click, that is only, yeah, 1 second please. Is this, yeah, okay, I can copy it, and to use I can use command and pasting like this. Okay, to enter, then you can see that here is no payload, means we cannot to be used, we cannot to use the payloads. Then you can written like so payloads here. Here you can see this is the required exploit payloads here. I can use this only river TCP UID. I can simply copy it, sorry, copy and paste it. Use, paste it on that. Okay, here you can see the total payloads are here. You can show here to written here, so options like this you can easily show which current version is used and which ports are used, PNC port, PNC view, and disability. Then you can easily perform many more attacks on that to using Metasploit and TCP, reverse TCP. Okay, this is a simple demo based. In this video I cannot use the totally overview part on that, so that's why I can totally not to be use very hard part on this. So in the back part you can type here exit here, then you can see mm, here you can back with our main menu. If you can doubt, here I can show you IF config, then you can see this is my IP address. Okay, and second part is MSA Venom. Okay, MSA Venom, then you can see this is contains with two parts. First part is exploit parts and second part is encoders. First part is payload part and second part is encoders. Payloads means it generates some APK like that, which is based on the Android based or the Windows based. In this APK part we can inject some malicious code to defect and the compromise any targeting machines. And encoder means that uh, encoder means in the targeting machine. Okay, his end part is consist with some firewalls and some defenders like that. So your payloads cannot be directly get into the system, so the firewall can the restrict on given payloads. Okay, in the use of encoders it also be generating some null part. Okay, converting into some compress with the null part, and the firewall cannot be recognize you, that you are a payload. Okay, in that way the payload get into the targeting machine, and you can easily exploiting that, compromising that the targeting part. Okay, that is the MSA Venom part, and this is the help command. Okay, then you can see here the options like this in the /l. You can use that to perform commands on that /fish, and many more are in the here. And to know about the many more on the MSA Venom, you can to refer, I can refer you to read many more documents into here. Okay, so that's my part of Metasploit framework. So if any mistake, so you can forgive me. Okay, so my explaining part is not to be cleared, I know. Okay, but I can cover little more bit things on the Metasploit part, so you can easily understandable the this is the basic same things of Metasploit part. So thank you.